The story of Trent Reeves is really a cautionary tale. It's the story of a boy who achieved so much but nearly lost it all. Trent was always polite and lovely to people around the school. Sometimes he played piano for Miss Christine. Trent was a brilliant pianist. He could play any tune in the world. He was like the most awesomest kid ever.
Hello, other way. Oh no, cast away I go. Ah.
Trent was an exciting organist.
Oh.
Many of our staff here at Ocean View College remember his amazing talents, such as his renowned storytelling ability.
He becomes the character. He gets right into it. It's exciting.
Now's the window of our disco tent.
Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy.
Buy me more jewellery.
Trent could recall any random date, like when Bruce Lee was born.
Bruce Lee was born on the 27th of November 1940.
He racked up an impressive list of achievements. He received our annual Best Student Ever Award, a Taparoo Oscar for Best Actor, recognising his outstanding work as Professor Trent in STEM versus STEAM.
He types like a demon. One day, his hands actually exploded. It took so long to clean up. It was yuck.
Some of his jokes really got up people's noses.
Doctor, I have a few backstories. Tell me where it all began.
Trent, cut it out!
What does Bruce Lee drink when he's thirsty?
I don't know. Water!
He started thinking he was actually Bruce Lee.
Water! 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 Oh, Trent! Water!
Then someone showed him a video of a cockatoo. And all of a sudden he thought he was a cockatoo.
Alright everybody, please hand up your homework. Trent, get back in your carrier.
Now Trent, I want you to use index notation with numbers to establish the index laws of positive integral indices and mean zero index.
I eat celery at 7 degrees. Oven.
The voices started getting really bad.
Finally, he lost all connection with reality. He started thinking he was Steve from Minecraft. He saw other students as creepers and teachers as Endermen. I had to confiscate his diamond sword on several occasions.
Just getting my sword back, sir.
Now you won't bring that back to school again, will you?
Of course not, sir.
There's a good boy.
Only Mr. Henderson could really help him now.
Mr. Henderson meditated deeply into the void, and the void gave him answers.
You are perfect as you are. But you must learn how to talk to the neuro-typicals. We know that you see things on TV and movies and repeat them at strange times. The neuro-typicals do not know where you are coming from. They are not like you. You have delayed echolalia.
You have delayed echolalia.
No. You have delayed echolalia.
Delayed echolalia?
Yes. You need to learn to greet people with things like hello and how are you? That kind of thing. People like it when you ask them about themselves. It's easy to overdo the random thing.
I think I know what to do. Arigatou gozaimasu, sensei.
Mr. Henderson's words worked like magic. Trent returned to his polite and charming ways, later earning a doctorate in ornithology, specialising in cockatoos. He also became the first solo teenage pianist to sell out Madison Gardens 2.5 times. Trent, what a great kid.